Under 12th, subject computer, chapter 2, cascading style sheet. Most IMP MCQ in board exam. Focus in MCQs. First questions, which of the following allows specifying styles for the visual elements of the website? Answer is a CSS. Second, what is the full form of CSS? Cascading style sheet. Question 3, in Composer, cascade button for CSS available on which toolbar? Composition toolbar. Fourth, which of the following is known as special symbols in the syntax of CSS? Answer is rules. Question 5, a CSS rules has how many parts? 2 parts. 6, which of the following are two main parts of CSS rules? 2 parts, selector and declaration. These questions is the most IMP MCQ in board exam. Second time I read it. Which of the following are two main parts of CSS rules? Which part? Selector and declaration. After then, 7th question. Which of the following is the syntax of CSS? Selector, property, value. 8. In CSS, property and value are specified by which symbol? Colon means gem. आप लोग मैथ्स में 1 gem 2 लिखते हो, ऐसा gem means colon. 9. Which of the following is an element HTML element on which style can be applied? Selector. 10. In the following CSS syntax, which is the selector? H1 color green, H1. 11. In the following CSS syntax, which of her property? H1 color green. Answer is a green. Questions 10 and questions 11 दोनों सेम है. देखो, शांति से रीड करना, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. ओके, 10 और 11 शांति से रीड करना, दोनों में जवाब अलग अलग आते हैं. ओके, आफ्टर देन क्वेश्चन 12. इन द फॉलोइंग CSS सिंटैक्स विच इज अ वैल्यू H1 कलर ग्रीन. अभी कितने हुए? 3 क्वेश्चन, 10, 11, 12. ओके, आफ्टर देन 13. How many tabs will come in CSS style sheet dialog box in Composer? 7. 14. In Composer, which tab of CSS style sheet dialog box is used to view CSS code? General. Answer is a general. 15. Which of the following has developed JavaScript? Netscape. 16. Which of the following is a scripting language that allow ending programming to web pages? JavaScript. Okay. 17. Which of the following web program provide static web page? Answer is a B, HTML. 18. Which attribute is used to specify the default value of the text field in the HTML form? Answer is a B, value. 19. Which input element is used to select a single item from a given group of item? Answer is a radio button. 20. Which option is used to radio button to keep the option selected when the form loads? Answer is a entirely selected. 21. Which input element is used to select multiple items from a given group of items? Answer is a checkbox. 22. Which option is used to checkbox to keep the option checked when the form loads? Entirely checked. 23. Which input element can be used to enter comment, report or long description of a product? Answer is a D, text area. After that, close text area. 24. In HTML form, which element allows multi-line text input? Text area. Multi-line किसमें होती है? तो टेक्स्ट एरिया में बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. हम मल्टीलाइन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओके. 25. Which of the following attributes are used in text area element in HTML form? All of this means row calls, rows and columns. कोई भी लिखो चलेगा, means all of this. 26. Which element is used to create a drop down list or menu is a form of HTML? Select, after then close select. 27. Which of the following element is used to specify the values that are to be displayed in the drop down list or menu? Answer is option 28. Which of the following colored outline is inserted by composer after defining from light blue? Answer is a light blue. 29. Which of the following is an example of open source IDE? All of this means Composer, Eclipse and Builder. 30. What is the full form of IDE? Integrated Development Environment. ये जरूर से याद रखना, IDE का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? Integrated Development Environment. Okay. After then 31. Which is the full form of WYSIWYG? What you see is what you get. क्या है? What you see is what you get. 32. Composer software can be downloaded from which of the following website? www.composer.net. Not a com, not a education, not a org. Org means organization. वो कुछ भी नहीं आता है. www.composer.net. ये याद रखना. पीछे क्या आता है? एक्सटेंशन नेम में क्या आता है? .net. 33. Which extension is used to save website file made in Composer.html? 34. Which of the following file name is the home page of the website saved as index.html? 35. How many viewing modes are there on the edit mode toolbar of Composer? How many viewing mode are there on the edit mode toolbar of Composer? Edit mode में कितने टूलबार होते हैं? तो 3. 36. आपने प्रैक्टिकल किया होगा कंपोजर का तो आपको पता होगा. 36. Which of the following viewing modes are there in edit mode toolbar of Composer? Normal, HTML and HTML tag and preview. Which toolbar? So normal, HTML tag and preview. Okay. 37. In Composer, which of the following viewing mode edit mode toolbar offers the page view SC in a browser? Preview mode. Which mode? Preview mode. Okay. 38. Which of the following is container for storing data? Variable. 39. In JavaScript, which keyword is used to declare a variable? var, small में var. Okay. 14. In JavaScript, which of the following type value can be stored in the variable? Answer is all of this means numbers, text and string. Which numbers, text and string means all of this. 41. Variable x is equal to document dot javascript 1 js means which what javascript 1 dot name value in above statement which is a variable. X is a variable. 42. Which type of condition in if statement allow program to enter the if statement allow program to enter the if statement block the execute the statement under it? It is a true. 43. What should be used to control the web browser window or the web page in JavaScript? BOM, browser object model. Okay. 44. Which of the following stands for BOM, browser object model? 45. Which of the following is the top level object in the browser object model? Window. 46. In browser object model, all of the element of web page like from, image, like, link, etc. are contained within which object document? 47. Which of the following is the most commonly used numeric function in JavaScript? Answer is D. Is NaN, not a number. Not a number. Which of the following stand for NaN, not a number? Be a answer. 49. In JavaScript, following function returns what is NaN? 1, 2, 3. No, false, because NaN is not a number. Not a number का मतलब क्या है? उसमें नंबर बिल्कुल भी नहीं आएगा, उसमें अल्फाबेटिकल वर्ड्स आएंगे. ओके. आफ्टर देन 50. In JavaScript is NaN means not a number. Function returns what when the value passed is not a number. Is answer is a true because NaN not a number. नंबर बिल्कुल भी नहीं आएगा, ओनली फॉर अल्फाबेटिकल वर्ड्स आएंगे. ओके. ये मोस्ट IMP MCQs है, आपको पता चल गया होगा. सेकंड चैप्टर बोर्ड एग्जाम में इनमें से बहुत सारे एमसीक्यूज आ सकते हैं। तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने फ्रेंड को भी भेजें। थैंक यू।